how to buy SafeMoon or SafeMoon token. So this token came under the symbol of SFM. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code simply as it goes below. Fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, please make sure to check the Lex account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the explainer. It created 2 hours ago and increased by 41,000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked like this, it's locked by 99%. That's made your investment in the safe place. So this token is trending #1 on Solana section. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under the Solana network. Now open your wallet. For that I will use the Phantom wallet. So log into your wallet first. So after that, what you need to do, just click on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here. After that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token. Now if you as you can see, this is how to buy SFM token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.